Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Nandyal Banking Coaching Center. I am GV Satish. Today let us discuss the most important current affairs of the 11th of August 2026 from the competitive examination point of view. Let us begin. Prakriti Gyan Dham, an eco-educational hub, has been dedicated to the nation at Banthra in Lucknow. It was developed by CSIR's National Botanical Research Institute. The hub is designed as a living repository of India's botanical and cultural legacy. Remember the location and developer. Everest is described in the notes as India's first privately developed 800 kilonewton full-flow stage combustion rocket engine, developed by Astrobase Space Technologies. India plans to establish the Bharatiya Antariksha Station by 2035 and aims to send or land an Indian on the moon by 2040. Astronauts on China's Shenzhou 23 mission successfully harvested japonica rice grown aboard the Tiangong space station. The Har Ghar Tiranga campaign in 2026 marks the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram. The campaign was first introduced in 2022. RBI released its 101st survey of professional forecasters. This is a bi-monthly macroeconomic survey conducted by RBI since 2007. The survey of professional forecasters projects FY27 GDP growth at 6.6%, revised upward from 6.5%. FY28 growth is projected at 7%. Do not confuse the SPF forecast with RBI's Monetary Policy Committee forecast. SPF projects 6.6%, while RBI MPC's official projection is 6.7%. India's national unemployment rate rose to 5.4% in the April to June 2026 quarter. ISIN stands for International Securities Identification Number. It is a 12-character alphanumeric code used to uniquely identify financial instruments. The government has raised 59,082.95 crore rupees through disinvestment and asset monetization so far in FY27, against a budget target of 80,000 crore rupees. Under minimum public shareholding rules, LIC's public shareholding must reach 10% by 2027 and 25% by 2032. Under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, 58.77 crore accounts have been opened, holding a combined balance of more than 3.12 lakh crore rupees. UPI recorded an all-time high of 23.66 billion transactions in July 2026, with a total value of 29.88 lakh crore rupees. UPI averaged 763 million transactions per day, with an average daily transaction value of 96,838 crore rupees. PhonePe leads the UPI ecosystem with 10.85 billion transactions, followed by Google Pay and Paytm. From the 1st of October 2026, applicable banks must publicly disclose their daily deposit rates by 10 a.m., with a maximum grace period of 10 minutes. IndusInd Bank and Easy Diner have launched a co-branded UPI-linked credit card. Indel Remit secured a perpetual authorized dealer Category 2 license from RBI, with a transaction limit of 25 lakh rupees per transaction. SBI Life Insurance has entered into a bank assurance tie-up with Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Union Cooperation Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the Bank in a Box platform and a security operations center at the Sakar Nav Kranti program in Mumbai. Urban cooperative banks are subject to dual regulation. RBI handles banking operations and prudential norms, while the Registrar of Cooperative Societies handles registration and administration. Urban cooperative banks are classified into 4 tiers based mainly on deposit size, ranging from up to 100 crore rupees in Tier 1 to above 10,000 crore in Tier 4. Tier 1 urban cooperative banks must maintain a minimum CRAR of 9%, while Tiers 2, 3 and 4 must maintain 12%. The minimum net worth is 2 crore rupees for a Tier 1 UCB operating in a single district and 5 crore rupees for other UCBs. 17 NBFCs are now officially classified under the specified regulatory category in the notes. The 11th BRICS Culture Ministers meeting concluded in Bhopal with the adoption of the Bhopal Declaration. A total of 14 countries participated, including 10 BRICS member countries and 4 partner countries. The notes list 11 BRICS member countries, including Indonesia, which joined in 2025. India donated 5 peacocks to the United Nations office at Geneva. India's permanent representative there is Arindam Bakshi. Côte d'Ivoire observed its 66th Independence Day. It became independent from French colonial rule in 1960. Timor-Leste is recognized as ASEAN's 11th member and the World Trade Organization's 166th member. Venezuela formally withdrew from the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. ED Director Rahul Navin has received a one-year extension, taking his tenure up to the 13th of August 2027. Vice Admiral Manish Chadha has taken over as Director General of Naval Operations, succeeding Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod. The 8th India-US Joint Explosive Ordnance Disposal and Salvage Exercise was held at Kochi. World Lion Day is observed on the 10th of August to promote awareness and conservation of lions. According to the notes, every 1 rupee invested in the Kisan Credit Card Modified Interest Subvention Scheme generates 2.30 rupees in net value addition. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bakt Bijli Yojana has reached 50.06 lakh households, with nearly 28,000 crore rupees dispersed as subsidy through DBT. According to the notes, Niti Aayog's vice chairperson is Ashok Kumar Lahiri. India's elderly population stood at 149 million in July 2022 and is projected to rise to 347 million by 2050. Maharashtra observes Sustainable Agriculture Day on the 7th of August, marking the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. The BRICS Heads of National Statistical Offices meeting was hosted in Lucknow with the theme Quality Statistics as Driver of Change. A world record was set when 13,000 tribal women and female students performed Dimsa dance together. Dimsa is traditionally associated with the Araku and Eastern Ghats tribal culture of Andhra Pradesh. Ariha Pangambam of Manipur won India's first senior women's gold at the Asian Aerobic Gymnastics Championship. Tanvi Sharma won the Taipei Open Super 300 badminton title. India won a total of 22 medals at the Brazil Para-Badminton International 2026. Harshita Jakhar of Rajasthan became the first Indian woman to feature at the Tour de France Femmes. Basant Kumar Megwal won silver in the men's high jump at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships, clearing 2.21 meters. Shahnawaz Khan won bronze in the long jump with a distance of 7.84 meters. Mahadrain Arumuga Pandian won silver in the men's 65 kg category at the Asian Junior Weightlifting Championship. That completes the important current affairs of the 11th of August 2026. Please revise these smartboard points once again because regular revision is the key to success. For daily exam-oriented current affairs, subscribe to the NBCC YouTube channel. Thank you, and all the very best.